you talk to another, your mind will something wrong thinking. You will talk to with the girls, boys, new peoples. Yeah, I know. But whatever right now is social media. Social media is good for growing life.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yes, brother, you are saying correctly because when there are so many distractions, we can distract from many things. But if we will focus on our work, which is
Hmm.
like beneficial to us, then it is like very important.
So important, really. I am my my consider people don't think about anyone. People thinks only about goal, about self, about itself. Never distraction. I have a distraction as about this. But no addiction. We want to be addiction. Only education addiction, job addiction, goal addiction. It's a good. But your addiction, mobile addiction, you are using. You keep using mobiles. It's bad. Please avoid this. Your life is so fake, so big. Identify life, then you will go on your life.
Yeah. Like people use 8 hours, 10 hours, they spend their time on mobile phone nowadays.
This is a big deal.
They close one application like WhatsApp, then they open another like Instagram, and they close that, then they use Twitter, then
Mhm.
they like play games or maybe watch movies. Like web series are like coming in India, addictive web
Mhm.
series. There are so many web series. They keep watching it, keep using their like mobile phone, and it is very dangerous for them.
Every mobile implement discoveries, every software owner, they are billionaires. We are nothing. We are nothing. We are using unnecessarily time wasting. But who make understand? Who make understand anyone?
Yes, brother. Yes.
That's why I concentrate on my work, on my mind. I focus only my goal, and I don't talk to with anyone. I talk to only my friends or online friends. They talk to me with a purified talking, accurate talking. I share my thought.
So, brother, your main goal is to learn English now.
To be honest, English
Okay, okay.
accent. I wanna be grab accent, UK accent. I may get job.
So you want to learn United Kingdom accent, the British
United
accent, right?
Kingdom accent. Yeah,
Okay,
you're
okay,
right.
okay.
Hmm.
So you are using Cambly application for like how long?
Um, I used only 2 months.
2 months.
Because my money
So it is
finished
very
that time.
expensive. It is Cambly is actually
Expensive too much.
yeah,
Hmm.
it is very expensive app, but is it useful? Is it helping you? Cambly
It's
application.
helping me. Yeah, too much. Accent, hesitation take out from phone now. Talk to new people, new tutors. It's a good. My hesitation taken out from because of foreigners talking about conversation. Since I started conversation with the foreigner, I'm speaking with my friends. I'm too. I'm conversation with you because of foreigner hesitation. They have made me take out my hesitation in my from my heart. I'm conversation day by day, and I'm getting new ideas. I'm getting through new opportunity. So it's a good for me. For also, I will get recharge next month. For now.
Okay. So how can I start using like Cambly if I am a newcomer and I want to like learn English from Cambly? How can I use it, brother?
First of all, go to no, Camly, get recharge,
Okay.
take a one subscription suitable according to you, 5,000, 3,000, 4,000, according to you. Then you will
Okay.
talk to with the phone because you can, because you have a good basic English, too good basic English. I have recognized your English. It's a good basic English
Thank you,
because
brother.
you're not a basic, you can speak advanced English, but you work hard work because you are working. I think you professional Hindi professional.
Lo, I speak Hindi. I speak my like
Oh,
native tongue.
you have to avoid Hindi. Avoid
Okay.
Hindi. Little bit. Not hey, this is my mother tongue, but we have to.
It's like in my home, like when I speak to my mother, I need to speak in Hindi because
Yeah.
she will not understand English.
But no. My mom, my father, my sister, they can understand, but they don't speak.
Okay. But
Understand.
here, like my mother don't understand like English, so I have to speak Hindi.
My
But
mother
like,
also. Mm,
but like now I am like talking to you. The reason I am talking to you because I want to talk to someone that who can like speak English because I want to increase my fluency, and I am also learning English grammar because I don't know grammar.
we should focus grammar
Yeah,
little bit, not a. If you focus totally grammar, never speak English.
it is like important to start speaking
Start grammar.
English
Mm.
because if you wait too much and you just focus on grammar, then I don't think it is very hard to speak English. Like
Yeah, it's very
some
hard to.
people, some people they, they learn grammar but they cannot speak, and
Yeah, I
maybe
have seen many teachers. May I speak? I have seen my teacher around me here, grammar teacher. Whenever I speak with them, they blank. They
okay.
blank. Because I have a lot of knowledge. I'm teaching in a high school, 10th class, PA class, but I can't compare with you, Keshav. You are super boy, really.
So it is like because they don't speak, they don't try to speak. And
Hmm.
if it like someone if is it learning, starting to learn grammar, but
Hmm.
if he try to speak even if he is speaking wrong,
Yeah, yeah,
but
absolutely.
if he try then he can speak, and that is like most important.
Most important, really, to be honest, most important. I think it was a nice conversation with you, and also please keep it up your English. It's good. Please don't forget your interest. You can speak English fluent, like more than me. You can.
Thank you, brother.
Nice
Thank you.
conversation
Thank you
with
so much.
you, and it's it's a good. Thank you for having to hear. It,
Thank you, brother.
like,
Thanks for having
bye.
me. Bye. Take care, brother. Take care.
You too. You too.
Thank
We
you.
will meet
Thank you so much.
tomorrow. Tomorrow.
What, brother?
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yeah, sure. We can talk daily because I am searching in this group of Vishal Bhardwaj. I am searching for like for someone that can talk with me in English because I want
Okay.
to learn.
Conversation on alternate days.
Okay. So like
Bye. See you.
like we will talk tomorrow or like the next day.
Yeah, next day on
Okay.
alternate days, we can say.
Okay. Okay. Okay.